20 million population, 26 million population compared to China of 1 billion, so 1/50 of the China. But the number of PCs in Malaysia is about 4 to 5 million PCs. Although the internet users is more than 10 million, that's what is published in the statistics and so on. But the number of PCs actually is about 4 or 5 million and so on. But the number of mobile phones is more than 20 million. So that is much bigger market in the mobile business. But I'm sure Capacity also has that product on the mobile part. That should be quite interesting to look further for the future. So out of these 4 or 5 million PC, I think the internet today is a must. Everyone on the PC must use the internet. I think you know the election story. People now blame the internet or whatever. But we cannot avoid it. The PC, whenever you have PC, a device, it must be connected to the internet. So it's a must that is connected to the net. And once you are connected to the net, it is a must to protect PC. There's no other way. There's no way to let your PC just like that on the net without any protection. So these two parts, these two must conditions is applicable to every PC in the country. I'll be happy if the all 4 or 5 million PC download Capacity in the next 1 year or so. That should be something that is a very big development for us. But if you can get even 10-20% of that downloading, that would be quite a good development compared with the other competitors out there. And we are the first to give 6 months free trial download for this Capacity antivirus. And after that, we have also the 1 month free download for Capacity internet security. So I see it is quite exciting development for us, and I think there will be is our contribution to the Malaysian consumers, Malaysian users, to protect their PC and to try the Capacity. And I'm sure those people who download will be happy to continue to use that for years to come. And Capacity is also famous for the frequency of updates. Any new virus, any new thing that's coming up, new threats on the internet, they will update instantly on the software, and then that will be downloaded to the PC automatically. So that free up our worry about the possibility of a new virus coming up into the PC. So I wish all of us to have a good relationship with the Capacity. And I'm sure this is not going to be a short-term relationship. We look forward to have a long-term relationship. We look forward for other possibilities that we can do together in Malaysia. And we are happy to be a partner for Capacity. Thank you very much.